Alright, so next we're going to remove these two 12 mils. I'm going underneath to get this one. I already broke it loose. I can actually do the rest by hand. Top one, we're gonna use 3/8, a bunch of extensions, a little swivel on the end. Take that guy. Same thing. Get that off. So now that's loose. It's basically just hanging out, being held on by these points here. We're gonna bust this one loose next. All right, so next up, because I did this out of order, we're gonna need to pop this loose. That's a 10. And because I made it completely loose, one sec, I'm gonna go ahead and use two hands. I'm gonna hold this here, and I'm gonna use the 10 on this point right here. Let's see if I can pull that off. Get loose. Now this is gonna spill, so make sure you have a bucket underneath or something. It's already starting up here. Brake fluid's gonna jack your paint up, so it's not good for anything else really either. Crack it loose and let's see if we can just let it dribble out for a while. And I'm just gonna catch that right underneath with a bucket. See, it's gonna come down right there into a bucket. I'm gonna let that drain for a sec. After that, we can go ahead and take the whole thing off. Alright guys, so in true YouTube fashion, I went ahead and unscrewed it. The whole thing falls off because all it's doing is being held in by that point. It's just resting up against that, and then it's obviously screwed into there in the original points that we took apart. So that thing's drained out. Come down here, this is what we got. This is the old slave cylinder. Rubber part was on like that, covering this. That's the part that was just resting up against the left side. There's our new guy. We're gonna go ahead and put that in right now. All right, reassembly, pretty much the same way. We're just gonna put this guy in here. I don't know how to do this without blocking the camera. Basically, we're gonna be putting this in the same way. If you look right here, that's where this end of the slave's gonna go. Just pokes in right there. The rest just bolts up like normal. All right, we're gonna go for the bottom for this next one. Okay, let's try to get this guy again. Next up, we're gonna look at the clutch master cylinder. I already drained it. You can see a bunch of nasties in there. That's kind of why we're doing this. We already did the slave, so we may as well do the master. That way we'll have all clean fluid, and we'll know the date of when this last was changed out. Here we go. Let me set up this camera. And I'm an idiot. Stuff's terrible for your paint. Don't let it get all on the paint. All right. Same thing, reverse order. Like eventually this says, I don't have the tools, I just don't care. So the signature jump, back this out, and then below it, we are done. This is what's going on down here. Creating vacuum. That line's open. flipping over into the little reservoir. GoPro died. Alright, you guys basically see what's going on here. Creating a little vacuum. Just waiting for the bubbles to stop. Bubbles keep coming out. So we'll keep filling this up. Dumping this out. It's all clean, which is good, but we need the air out. Just push one more click on that. Once the bubbles are out, we'll be done. Tighten everything up. Let's go take a look up top.